And we are live. Good morning, internet, or evening, or afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. And welcome. So the topic of today. Hang on. So let me know if you have any issues with the sound. If there's anybody in chat, because I can't see who's connected at the moment. And so yeah, so the idea for today is to make the proverbial, Twitch chatbot. I've heard that people who start, live programming or live streaming, they usually develop their own Twitch chatbot. And because I haven't written Python in a long minute now, I thought it'd be a good exercise. I could have done it. I mean, I found tons of resources on how to do it in Node, but I don't want to touch JavaScript. So we'll do it in Python. Let me know if the sound is. Let me actually fix the sound real quick. Video, nope. Audio input, filters. I think that's the threshold. Or maybe that was 16. We'll leave it at that. Maybe the output gain to 160. Let's see if yeah, okay. So, all right. I think I've got a new follower. His name is Nijay. So thank you for the follow. And make yourself comfy. So I thought I'd do a break also from doing Kubernetes stuff, CKAD stuff. So it'd be nice to just chill and write some code. It's a bit rainy here in Western Europe. So yeah, cozy Sunday. I've got my drink. And so yeah, let's crack on with this. So after having watched many different streams from many different people, the library they tend to use for this is called Twitch, Twitch.io, something like that. I think it's called Twitch.io. Yeah, so look that up. Twitch.io.dev. Do they have a GitHub link? Yes, they do. Let's visit that. God. Let's open a new tab. Okay, so Twitch.io. Twitch.io is an asynchronous Python wrapper around the Twitch API IRC, which is a powerful command extension for creating Twitch chatbot. Twitch.io covers almost all of the new Twitch API and features support for commands, PubSub, webhooks, and EventSub. All right. Please join the official support server on Discord. Okay. All right. So let's install this first. So let's go. Also, let me know if the music is not too loud. Okay, so we'll create a folder called FisherBot. FisherBot, and then we'll use. I used to use Poetry. Do I still have Poetry? No. Do I have pipenv? Not either. Go back. Think it's Poetry, isn't it? Or pipenv versus Poetry. Oh, there's PDM too. What's PDM? Python compatibility, result of Poetry. Oh, Bitbend was nice. Yeah, it had all the emojis and stuff. PDM, what? PDM. Well, let's actually try PDM if not. PDM. Okay. PDM is meant to be a next generation Python package management tool. It was originally built for personal use. If you feel you're going well with Bitbend for poetry and then want to introduce another package manager, just stick to it. But if you're missing something that is not present in those tools, you can probably find some goodness in PDM. All right. They have a video. Okay. PDM in it. Oh, I think, okay. So it's gonna do, it's a similar thing to npm, I think. And that's PDM add. Oh no, yarn, sorry. Because in npm you do npm install, but with yarn you do yarn add. Okay, create a log file. PDM. Okay, you create a log. Create a log file. PDM run. Oh, okay. So it's not like. Does it have like a? Does it use a virtual environment? So you don't have to create one yourself? That's interesting. All right, let's go back. Oops. PDM GitHub. Okay, blah blah blah. All right. Well, let's use this. What version of Python am I running even? I don't even have Python. It's Python 3. 3.8. I think we're at 3.10. But let me actually echo. Here he is. Python equals 3. Let me echo alias Python equals user in Python 3, and I'll go what is it, dot files fish config.fish. Okay. Okay, cool. So we have that. So if I do Python now, what I need to source thing. Right, so now if I do Python, I have Python. Great. Okay, so let's copy this. We should really review the script, but I trust the guys, so I'll just go with it. I need a new chair. Okay, it's installed. PDM add build init. Let's do that. Let's do PDM init. Let's do PDM init. I don't want to use Python. Can I upgrade? It used to be that we would I don't know if I can upgrade to Python 3.10, to be honest. Let me actually see if I can install. I think it's sudo apt search Python. 3. I think it's Python 3. More what? Montage wrapper. Nope. Let me. What version am I even? Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm 2004, so maybe it's not supported. I don't know. Install Python 3.10. Ubuntu 2004. Blah blee blue. Oh, I have to add a PPA. Do I have that? I think I have it. Okay, I do have it. So let's add this. Yes. Right. And then I'll do that. From source. Yeah, no. Not gonna bother with this. Okay, yes. Right. So presumably now we can do Python 3.10. Yes. And so we will let's do sed -e. Let's replace Python 3 with Python 3.10.8. In fact, which Python 3.10. Alright. So we'll have to do Python. Alright, so we'll have to sed -e. And we'll do, we will do Python 3 alias. No, let's do that. No, let's do user bin Python with user bin. Actually, no, I think I can use a different separator, right? I can do this. I can do this, and I can do s and use hash pound signs, and then I can do user bin Python 3. I add the user bin, like the full path, because I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I have anything called Python 3 elsewhere in the file, and I don't want to mess anything up. So I'll do user bin Python 3, and we'll do user bin Python 3.10, and we'll go dot files fish config.fish. What? Oh, let's do tail. No, it didn't work. It didn't work. Why didn't it work? Oh. Is it I? No. -e. What do I get the output? Let me... Oh yeah, no, it's I, not E, in place. Right, so now if I do tail, boom. So if I do Python now, what? Oh yeah, I need to source. Boom. All right, so now we can do PDM in it. And now we have 3.10 that we can do that. Would you like to create a virtual env? Yes. It's a project library. Is a project a library that will be uploaded to PyPI? No. SPDX name. The license will be what the fuck BL. Author name is 0x Fisher. Actually, yeah, just leave it at Fisher. Author email. We'll leave it at that. To allow any. Okay. I guess. Great. So that's quick start PDM in it, and then PDM add. All right, so let's go back now to Twitch.io, and then we can do PDM add Twitch.io. So let's do that. PDM add Twitch.io. I think I have a VN. Do I have to? Do I have to create it? I mean, do I have to? Let's go. Because essentially what he did is he did PDM run. Right? We'll have to see. Maybe I'm running inside this virtual env. Let's say source vn bin bin activate .fish. Now we'll try to get started chatbot. Access token. Copy this. We'll copy this and then we'll do a main.py. Yes. And then we'll copy. Shut up, tree sitter. No, that's not the one. Should I do TS update? Yeah, maybe. Because it's going to keep bugging me. User share runtime invalid node type at position. How do we get rid of? TS. Let me just disable. Oh God. Alright, so tree sitter highlighter. Executing. Alright, so we're gonna have to fix this bloody thing. Let me actually just go to my dot files. Vim. NeoVim. Nope. NVim. Alright, so where is it? Plugins, isn't it? Tree sitter. How do I disable tree sitter. Oh god. Tree sitter. Tree sitter highlighter error executing Lua. Was it RNTS update? Okay. Well, which is what I did, so I guess if we run vim.main.py again. Oh, disappeared. Great. Alright, so we're back on track now. Why is it complaining? Yeah, import twitch.io.ext could not be resolved. Okay, so I know why. It's because we have to source venv bin activate.fish. So now if I do this, yep, it's working. Okay, so initialize a bot with, what is this? Line too long. Okay. Oh. We'll do that. And then we'll do this. Style everything correctly. Okay. So initialize our bot with our access token, prefix, and the list of channels to join on boot. So my channel, so token, prefix. Alright, so it is convention to use a bang or an exclamation mark. The token will have to create that, and the channel is going to be mine. That will do. Oops. We'll do 0x Fisher. Okay. In fact, let's do access token equals os dot get env, I think. Yep. Nope. Dot get env. We'll do access token. We'll do access token, and then we'll replace this. And we'll do oops. Access token. So the prefixes will remain. In fact, let's just good measure. Let's just do this. We'll keep the prefix as it is, and then the channel. Initial channels is going to be okay. So all right, so it's going to be my own channel. So we need a initial channels. So we need an access token. So I saw something about getting access token somewhere. Yep. Visit token generator for a simple way to generate tokens for use with Twitch.io. Okay. I'm here to get a bot chat token. Oh, okay, so it wants me to authorize, so I will come back in a bit. Hang on tight. All right, I'm back. So we've got the token, and I've put it in an env file .env. So I think we can pull .env file Python. Use .env file. Yep. Oh, it's .env. Okay. .env. Not nearly every programming language has a package or library that can be used to read environment variables from blah blah instead of from your local environment. Python.env. Once the library is installed, an average use case for Python. Okay. All right. So we'll use that. We'll do Python. We'll do pdm add python.env. In fact, we didn't even create a repo for this. So let's. I think I have GitLab. No, do I not have the GitLab CLI? GCL. No. Do I not have GitLab? GitLab. I think it's called GitLab. CLI. No Git. Do I not have the GitLab CLI? Oh, it's glab. Okay. I think we can create okay, so we can do glab repo create FisherBot. Yes. Create a local project directory for Fisher/FisherBot. Let's create yes. So I have git. What's in FisherBot then? Oh, nothing. All right, so let's remove FisherBot. Okay. Now we can git remote fmv git remote, which isn't git. Let's do git. Let's do glab repo help list view transfer search create delete clone archive list fork. All right, so you have to add the remote yourself. So git remote and origin. I will do git at gitlab.com/fisher xyz /fisherbot. Okay, we'll do git add. Do we have a git ignore? We don't. Go back. Create a git ignore. We'll do. I think it's git ignore.io if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, let's do Python. Is there something about PDM? No, so we'll do Python. I'll create. All right. Copy this. We'll git ignore. Right. Okay, so we can keep the rest. We can do git add a, git m, initial commit, and then we can do hopefully git push origin. I think it's me. Nope. I think it's master. Yep. All right. So we have our repo created. Great. Now we can crack on with this. So apparently, we do an if main, and we'll do this. Let me actually do main def. Oh, it's gonna add braces. And so we'll copy this. We'll do the main. Do I have it set to? Okay. So def main, and then we'll do what's it called? I think it was called load.env. So let's try and see if it recognizes it. Load. No, okay. So we'll do from Python dot import import load dot env. So now we can do load dot env. Okay, what could not be resolved? What the hell, man? Okay. All right. So, okay. Really quickly, let me do echo blah blah blah. And let me do some var equal the well, actually, who cares? I'm going to show you I'm going to show you the access tokens anyway, because I'm going to change them when the stream ends. So let's do, is it print? We'll do os.getEnv access token. In fact, let's not do this. Let's just forget about the bot. Let's just do pdm run main.py. Let's see if it works. Command main, yeah, it's not found. Okay, so we'll have to get the source and then do python run python main.py. No module name Twitch.io. What the hell, man? Okay, let's just do this then. What? No module name Twitch.io. What are you on about? Do I have to pdm add Twitch.io in here? I think I have to. No. It's up to date, so what the hell? Could not be resolved. What? Okay. Can I do import Twitch.io? Nope. Can I do import Twitch.io then? Not either. So I'm supposed to have, I mean, it's supposed to work. I don't know why. What's PDM? By default, PDM will create a vInf in the project root when doing PDM install on an existing project, as other package managers do. But you can make pip in the default to enable the full power of pip, blah blah blah. How do I run CLI script? The recommended way is to prefix your command with PDM run. Oh, can I do this? PDM run python main.py. Nope. Module named python.env. Alright, so we're getting somewhere. So let's source and let's do that again. Oh, God. I mean, I did that. What do you mean? Did I make a mistake somewhere? Oh, it's .env, it's not python.env, you melt. It's .env. So now we can do PDM add, PDM run, python main.py. Okay, so we have the access token, great. Alright, so we can, we are logged, okay. Let's do this. Let's actually print info starting chatbot, FisherBot. Okay. So how do we check it runs? Okay, I'm logged in. Right. Prefix and list of channels to join on boot. So that's my user ID, that's my name. But how do we give it a name? Let's have a look at the documentation. Quick start. Add an event message. For the purpose of this, we will only be using an OAuth token with permissions to read and write to chat. If you require custom scopes, please make sure you select them. Visit token generator, blah blah blah. As a client, as a bot with extensions. Here we will be using command extension to create a chatbot. Alright, but let's just go to commands. Okay, so Twitch.io prefix, client secret, initial channels, heartbeat. How do we add a name to commands as to name? Fetch channel, fetch games, fetch teams. I want to have something very basic for now. Because I want it to appear as FisherBot when you reply. So how does that work? Where are we? Basic bot. Okay, the above example listens to context, command at context. You're logged in, ready to chat and use commands. But the problem is we're not giving it a name. So super init, and it doesn't seem to require a name. Events Nick, attributes, cogs, commands, connected channels, events. Where's the that's the command? Okay, that's the cog. Context, nobody cares. Method. Hold on. So we've got token, prefix, client secret, initial channels, heartbeat, retain cache, and then quarks, keyword arguments, attributes, and then you can do, yeah, so you can do self.nick, get user, reply, send, chat as users. All right, we'll figure this out. So basic bot. Okay, so command create hello. All right, let's copy this. Let's copy this. And I want this to be, oh, we already have it. So let's give, no, let's call it, yeah, name Ayo. Right. So essentially this will be triggered when you say Ayo. What's going on, bruv? What's going on, bro? Now let's do Ayo CTX author.name. My G. What's going on? Alright, so we send a hello back, and so presumably, do we have to? Yes, I think we have to restart the thing. Okay. And so now if I add something to the chat and I do Ayo Fisher, my G, what's going on? Okay, alright, so it works, but it's essentially replying as me. I wanted to give it a custom name, so let's go Twitch.io chatbot custom name. Let's go to Google instead, because DuckDuckGo sucks when it comes to this. How do you send a message? Send a response. Twitch.io. Oh, images. What's this? Ugh. Renaming a chatbot in chat. Let's type Twitch chatbot. Okay. Getting started, yeah. Well, okay, great, that's what we want. Blah blah blah, prerequisites, Node.js. Identity, username and password. Hang on. Let's go back to the maybe I missed something. Let's go back. Let's do token generator. I'm here to get a bot chat token. Yeah, I will authorize. Yes, I'm not a robot. Tractors. Blah. So that's my Twitch account, but I want log into the account you want to generate a token for, blah blah blah. Bot accounts are actually just Twitch accounts. Register a Twitch account for your bot and log into it to generate a token for it. Oh, you can't change the name. All right. So I'd have to create an account for my bot, and then okay. So I'll do, okay. Fair enough. Alright. So I'll do that later. So we've got this. So the AO greeting works, right? So now I have to think about what kind of commands I want to have on the chatbot, right? So what are the most common, I guess, what are the most common commands that people have? So let's go and find that out. Nope. Let's go back and go back to OBS real quick. Let's see, custom commands. No. Common Twitch chat commands. All right. Streamers playbook, chat commands. Every custom Twitch bot. Okay, let's go to Reddit. What are some of your favorite chat commands? 18 commands you need on your Twitch stream. All right. First off, you will want to have a commands command if you don't already. If set up properly, this command should take a user to a separate page where they can see your full list of commands. It should look like something like this. Yeah, no, not really. Oh, rules. This command should either respond with your stream rules or take the user to a page where your rules are explained. Every channel has their own set of rules, and it's crucial that viewers abide by these rules. Blah blah blah. All right, so we'll make note of this. We'll make note of this. So let's have let's decide. Let's go. List of commands. So we'll go rules. That's good. We'll go rules, uptime. This simple command allows viewers to see how long the stream has been live for. It may seem like a basic command, but it's a useful one. Okay, uptime. Let's try that. It's actually not too bad. So let's do bang uptime. Then we'll go Discord, socials. Oh, yeah, that's interesting. Socials, absolutely. Viewers who find your streams, like your content, will eventually want to follow you on other platforms. Some prefer to add a comment for each social media platform. Some prefer to group them all together in one command, and some prefer to do both. Yeah, let's have both. Let's actually have both. Let's have socials. Also, let's have commands, CMDs, socials, and then we'll do YouTube. Seen that one. Streamers are often asked about their setup. What mic do you use? What camera do you use? And so on to make life easier. Yeah, setup is nice too. Live. We'll go setup. Schedule. Don't have a schedule yet, but I'll work on that. So we'll do 6. Schedule. Giveaway, no mods, quote. Not only are quote commands really funny, they also great community build our quote commands. Q. When you start growing, you may want to begin playing alongside some of your viewers. But with many people in your stream, we do who's next in line to play. No, I don't need this because I don't play. Lurk is a common command, and one doesn't. It's just a command that lets the streamer know you are there lurking. Huh? Yeah, why not? 7. Lurk. Tells us viewer is lurking, I guess. Alright. 8. Although, I don't know why. Even though you may not be participating in the chat as a lurker, it's nice to show your support to your favorite. Oh, okay. Playlist. Many streamers like to play music now. Game settings. 8-ball. Come on, super fun content. These guys basically virtual 8-ball. Shout out. Send a shout out to a viewer in the chat. Watch time. Viewers who watch your stream regularly often. How long have I been watching this stream for? Yep. That's interesting. So we'll add that one. Watch time. Record sub. If you once you become an affiliate, this command is just about a must. What it does is give you a quick and easy way to sub to your channel. Maybe I will. Well, we don't need it now because I'm not an affiliate. Follow time. The follow time command is an awesome command that allows viewers to show off how long they've been following the channel for. Good. We'll add this to. Add this to follow time. User has been followed for. Schedule. YouTube. Let's do site too. Let's do site to link to my site. Alright, what else do we have? Sponsors. Alright. Oh yeah, once I set up a tip channel or tip page, we'll have a tip. Tip. Command 2. Chatbot command. So look at the other ones. Some people have a setup command. Okay. schedule. Yeah, I've seen people have some people have a task, like task command to essentially tell viewers about the project. Okay. Commands are generally used to answer FAQs, blah blah blah. Alright. Uplurk, Discord, SO Shoutout, Studios, Clip, Snacks, Rules. I used to have a blank one that did nothing but say thanks for using it. It was good. Build will link you to my character's makeup. My channel is so if you type quote in mine, you'll get random quotes from 80s movies. We can have that. That's actually let's use this. 80s quotes from 80s movies. That joke. Nope. Follow age. Oh, that's the Stux Step Bro. Okay. So commands, yeah. So we'll have that. Custom tips. So special. This one's one view will also increase the amount of tips you get on stream. When the user types the command, they will see a list of custom donation alerts they can trigger. Okay. Yeah, setup, giveaway, social media command, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Discord. I don't use Discord. I'm on YouTube though. Will keep my Insta private, and I don't have Twitter. Rules, loadout. No, that's for games. Server. This is useful if you're playing a game. No, lurk. Mods, playlist, merch, sponsor. Alright, so, but I want to know what else, what kind of other commands they use for programming streams though. Well, we'll stick to that first. We'll do a couple of those, and then we'll keep adding more and more. And the other thing I want to do is I want to be able to sort of develop. Let me zoom in on this. I want to develop a custom chat box, because right now I'm using the one that's on OBS. I don't really like that chat thing that comes in that comes pre-installed with what's it called, Streamlabs or whatever. So yeah, I'll try and do my own so I can pull the chat and so we can have it sort of as a window in the terminal like this, and then we would have like the username and the message, etc., and then that will allow me to sort of keep an eye on the chat while I code, because I don't want to have to look back and forth at between OBS and my screen. So that's that. Let me come back in a second. We are back. So let's stop with this. So we'll start with the rules. We'll do commands and rules today. Yeah, let's do that. So let's create a new command. And we'll go and do, this one's going to be named, actually this should be called AO. And we will call this one CMDs. And it's going to be CMDs. Alright. I want to see what the context is. So ctx dot fetch message. Okay, let's print ctx dot fetch message. And then let's do print ctx dot users chatters view prefix message. So we have the message. Oh, okay. We already have yeah, of course it was a private field. So let's just do check bucket, get user. These are methods. Let's find the attributes. Alright, so that's the message prefix view. Args. So that's the author, bot, channel, cog. What's the difference between bot and channel? I think we can, what's it called? F string, yeah. Let's do this. Author. They're going to be ctx dot author. Channel, we'll do, I just want to see because channel is going to be ctx dot channel. And what else do we have? Ctx dot, have a look. Can we actually just see that? Yeah. Let's just do that instead. Alright, so message, channel, author. An author is a chatter and a partial chatter. Okay. Okay. Prefix. That's the prefix. The command. Okay. Args quargs view is valid bot. Okay. So we don't have much chatters. Okay. Property. So okay, so we can do chatters, channel returns, the channels, the current chatters. Oh, okay, so that's going to be useful when we want to pull how many people are on the stream right now. So let's do we have a command for this? Uptime socials. Let's just do 0b. Let's just do gang. You want to see who's watching, you do who's in the gang. So let's do this. We're not gonna bother with this. We'll do gang. And this will tell you how many retrieves, total number of chatters. So let's go back to context. So we've got chatters, users. Okay, so that's an alias. So get user. And then for each user, I guess we can reply, right? So we're not gonna do this. And this is command. Okay, so we're out of the reply. Send a message and reply to the user who sent a message and a destination associated with the data class. Destination will be the context of which the message command was sent. Okay. So blah blah blue. All right. Okay. So there's that. What am I playing? No, okay, cool. Yep. All right, so we'll do gang. Cause I want to see. So what was the name of the? Yeah, it was chatters. The channels, current chatters. All right, so we'll do. We currently 9 CTX dot chatters gang members watching. No, members of the gang. No, just members of the gang. Alright. We currently have what? Line too long. Alright, let's just do MSG. And then we'll do DI. Oops. Of course. Let's do this. And now we can essentially just send a message. Let me go back real quick just to see send, because we didn't see send. Def send. Let's go back. Where's this? Messageable. So is this somewhere? Does it inherit for something? Let's go back. Let's go up, 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 up. Oh, nope, not group. Context. Okay, messageable. Yeah, okay. Alright. And so it inherits the send method. So let's try that. Let's see. Okay, let's see. We can do pdm run python main.py. Okay. And so let's go here and let's do gang. Okay, so it's a it's a list. Actually, it's not a list. It's hang on. Where's it? Chatters. Let's go back. Set chatters. That's a set. Okay. So with a set, I think I have. Do we have length? Can we do length? I think we can do that. Yeah, let's try this. Do gang again. Nope. I'll have to. Let's do it again. Okay. So that's the number. Okay, so that's the number. I'm not sure if I want to display the names because we have channel names, so we can do. I think we can do that. I think we can do. let's print. Yeah, no, let's just print. Oh, but we would have to, okay, we'd have to look through. Let's just go channel names, I guess. Member names. And then we can do list comprehension. If I can recall how we do this, I think it's name for name. Oh yeah, no, it's okay. So it's chatter.name for chatter. So I think it's channel name, isn't it? Chatter name for chatter in ctx.chatters. Let's try and do that. I just want to see users self.channel.name. Users cache self.channel.name. The channel's current chatters. Can we do get user? Partial user. Well, let's try that first. Let's print member names. Let's try that. I'm going to do gang again. Oh, it works. Great. All right. And so essentially I can do F at okay, so now the message can be we currently have blah blah blah, and then maybe I can add a new line, and then I can do I+1. Yep. Oh, I think we can do. Can we do enumerate? I think we can do enumerate. Yeah, let's do IDX chatter and enumerate this. Now we can do IDX +1 dot. Okay, this is getting line too long, right? Yes, we can. Redefinition of unused command. Oops. That's gang. That's not commands. Okay. So we can now try again. Just want to see if I can go. What happens if I do gang? Oh, we have 5 members. Well, welcome everyone. Say hi. Is chat stats an actual username? I don't know. Well, hi Alice. Hi Hentai Chan. Hentai. Okay. Hentai Chan. All right. And XYFM. Well, welcome everyone. You're officially part of the gang. Okay. So get cozy. Okay. So I want it displayed. I want it displayed like so. So I want to have the index plus the username and then a new line. So we'll do this. We'll do new line. And then we'll do, oh, let's do this instead. Yeah, let's do a, what's it called? Like a, I forgot what it's called, like the 3-string thing. Because we have this. So that's going to be the header. And then we'll be able to do, I think I can do join. Can we do join? Let's do member names. Member names. Let's do member names. Dot join. Actually, we don't need a new line. We can just do this. You can tell I haven't been writing Python in a long time. Yeah, no, actually, let's leave it at that. S-string expression part cannot include a backslash. Oh. Alright, so let's go back to this then. Okay. What now? She wasn't closed. This is weird. Hang on. Okay, so we have this. So member names. Let me print. Let me print f member names. Actually, let's open up. Let's open a shell. So I want to do L equals blah, new line, blah, new line, okay. And then I want to print. I want to print L.join on a new line. Let's see. I don't think this is going to work. Yeah, of course. So how do I... Because I don't want to have to loop through them again. Right? I just want a string that contains new lines. Oh no, hang on. I think it's this dot join, and then I can do L, and then I can do this like that. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. So let's go back to this. Instead of that, I'll do dot join member names. Okay, where's it complaining? Alright, it's line too long, who cares? Okay, so let's do that. And then let's PDM run. Okay, now let's run the gang command again. That's not working. That is not working. In the game one. Let's do it again, just to see. Oh no, it works. Alright, so that's cool because it works. So we can do 1. And then, so we'll have 1, so okay, cool. Can I do 2 new lines though? Let's see if I can do that. Let's try again. Message failed. This is a bit weird. Let me try with a empty message. Let's just do hello gang. And try again. Gang. Yeah, right. So there's a problem with this. Maybe we can't add new lines. Let me do this. Let me actually do this. Oh, I don't think we can. Yep. But we can. We could do this. Yeah, we could do this like that. And then essentially just have the member names displayed like this. So we would have that. Let's go back. Let's do it again. All right. And let me do gang. But why can't we add new lines there? That's I know why. Okay, so we can't add new lines to this, to an F string. So maybe we can. Why can't we add new lines to an F string? That's a bit weird. Let's do. Because I don't want to have to sort of concatenate stuff, right? All right, I think I'm gonna have to. So final message, members list. Yeah, so final message, and then we'll have, instead of doing this, right, we'll have the member names, and then we'll have the members list. So this will be join member names. Okay, and the final message will be message plus we'll have one new line, and then we will have the members, and then we will have the members, the member names, no, the members list, sorry. Yeah. And so we'll send the final message. Did we? Plus members list. Okay. And so we no longer need this now. Right, we can just do that. So let's, oops. Can I do PDM run Python? Yep. Okay. So if I type in gang now, hopefully I should have. Nope. Okay, so maybe there is no way to add new lines. Let me try. Let me actually just try in the chat. Let me do this is a message. Hello world. Okay, it doesn't render. So yeah, we cannot have new lines. So we'll just do this, I guess. We'll do that. Yeah, we'll do this instead. That's fine. So let's go back, rerun it again. Just to test that it works. So, gang. Yeah, alright. Cool. Okay. So that's that. What else do we have? Okay, so we've done the gang command, I guess. We'll commit. I don't care about this. Chatbot is started. No, chatbot is ready, rather. Chatbot is logged in and ready. And in fact, we'll do self.init. Okay. Alright, so we have AO and this. So we do git add, git commit m, not initial commit, added gang and AO commands, and we'll push to master. It's a bit chilly outside at the moment. What else can we do? Do we actually have is there such a thing as a to-do list on GitLab? Let's go. Fisher XYZ. Did we call it FisherBot? Sign in. So I'll be back in a second. Right, I'm back. Okay, so let's see if we have a to-do. Issues, merge requests, deployments, monitor, wiki, activity, label, members. That's the repo issues list. Let's have a look. Use issues, collaborate on ideas, solve problems, and plan and work. Boards. Do we have boards? Service desk. Milestones. No. Should we create a new issue? Oh, no. Cancel. Now let's do board. Although I think we used to have we used to be able to have a list of sort of like a to-do list, but that's fine. We'll use this for now. So does that? Oh, I think it creates an issue with. Let's try it. We'll do create -cmd's command. Yep. Let's go to the list of issues. Yep, created one. Alright, that's fine. So we'll do this. Well, gang is done, so that's so we can remove that. AO is in, so we'll do commands, rules, uptime, commands, rules, uptime, commands, rules, uptime, socials. Socials, YouTube, site, and we'll do schedule, lurk, watch time, follow time, tip, task, and quote. Alright, so watch time. I like follow age better. Follow age. We'll do tip, task, and quote. Alright, so tip. We'll do task, and we'll do quote. No, that's not. Let's edit. Quote. Okay. So we have a list now. That's good. Let's go back. Let's see if it works again. Yep, it does. All right, so we'll welcome back to the people in chat. Commands. All right, so let's delete this. All right, well, let's close it. Rules. Let's do rules. Okay. What? What happened with this? Oh, okay. No new lines. Well, that's fine. We'll do a hyphen. Let's do it again. Let's try that again. Okay. I'm logged in and ready. Nope. Okay, so no error message. Good. Good. Okay. So we can do rules now. So we'll have commands. Command name is equal to rules. Def rules. Self and context of type commands dot context. Okay, so we will return await. Oh, it's an async function. Async. So async await ctx dot send, and the message is going to be 1. Don't be a cock. We'll do 2. Stick to rule 1. That's it. What else? Yeah, I think that these are enough rules. I'm not a dictator. You can say whatever you want as long as you are respectful. It's a generally good rule to follow in life in general. So let's do that. Rules, and maybe we'll add more in the future if the need arises. All right, so let's go back. bdm run python main.py. Okay. Let's do. No, not gang. What's it? Rules. 1, don't be a cock. 2, stick to rule number 1. Actually, do you know what? Let me add rules. These are the rules for the chat. Let me add a header. Rules in the chat. Let me actually add a new line because this is not an F string, is it? So I can hopefully do this. Let's run that again. I wish we could watch changes and rerun the script, but so let's do rules. Rules, no, it still doesn't work. It still doesn't like new lines, so right now we've confirmed this, so that's cool. Okay, nope, that's not what I want. Rules in the chat, don't be a cock, and stick to rule 1. Great. Just for sanity check, let me rerun that again. Rules. All right, and so we don't have an error here, so that's good. So that's good. Let's go back. Rules is done. Great. Okay. I'm a bit bummed that you can't have new lines. That you can't add new lines to chat messages. Can we even add bold? Let me actually do this. Can we do like this is a bold message? Nope. Doesn't look like it. Okay, so that's fine. So we'll do, what is an interesting one we can do? Let's do uptime. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do uptime. But for that, I think we're gonna need more than the commands. I mean, the command extension. Yeah, definitely. Because I don't think the context gives us anything about the stream. Message channel. Oh, maybe. Okay. So let's actually copy this, paste it. Command rules. Let's do uptime. And we'll do uptime. 0x Fisher has been streaming for blah. We'll do this. And this should be uptime. And now let's print. Let's print ctx.channel. Right, let's just do this. ctx.channel. Let me go back. So it's a channel. Okay. So what do we have here? Bot is mod name. So channel name, chatters, get chatter, user, blah blah blah, leaderboard, whisper. Okay, nothing about uptime. So self.channel. Yeah, so that's not gonna work. So we'll need to go back to Twitch.io. Let's open this. So the context has reply, send, chatters, blah blah blah, command, cog. Let's go back to the top. So what do we have? We have the bot. Okay, so we have the bot. Context. Okay, context command cog. What's a cog? Cogs help organize code and provide powerful features for creating bots. Cogs contain commands, events, and special cog-specific methods to help with checks before and after command notification hooks. That's interesting. If message.echo return an event inside a cog. That's interesting. Maybe we'll use that at some point. Okay, so it's going to be the client reference. So maybe we'll need to create a client then. Get channel. So that's the client. Is there anything? Event ready. Event join. Nope. Search channel. Wait for. Get channel. I saw something about get channel. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Hang on. Get channel. Yep, that's the one. Okay, so get channel, optional channel. So we have to create a client secret token. Connected channels. List of currently connected channel. Nope. Event called when the bot has logged in and ready, so that we know this. Okay, so we are already using this. The event sub. For those not familiar with event sub, it allows you to subscribe to certain events, and when these events happen, no, that's not what we need. So we'll go to client, connect, event channel joined, event user state, fetch channel. Let's do that. This function is a coroutine. Retrieve channel information from the API. Okay, returns Twitch.io channel info. Oh. Language type. Okay. So do we have uptime here? Nope. Time. Since. No. Oh, started at. Oh. Started at. Okay, channel. Hype train, nope. Pull. Stream, there we go. Okay, so stream started at. That's the one we want, and then we want to compare with now. So how long ago? Okay, so twitch.io stream. Data. But we would have to get that from the channel. So is there something about stream here? Fetch streams. No, that's not. Hold on, does it fetches live stream from the Helix API? I guess we could use. Oh no, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work because if we create an account for our bot and we pass the user ID that we get from the event ready, it's not gonna pull the correct stream ID, the correct stream. Let's go back to this, to the data class, and let's look at was it channel? Yeah, channel. Okay. So, all right. Let's go back here and then go fetch streams. Fetch streams. Yep. So what we'll do is we'll fetch the stream. So right now we'll do it using our own user ID. But we'll have to sort of edit code once I create the account for the bot. We will have to eventually store our user ID here. In fact, let's do that now. So I think it was print self.nick user ID self.user ID. We'll copy that and paste it. Yeah, so that's my user ID, so I'll copy it here. And then we'll do they have to be strings? I think so. We'll keep that. So now we can essentially just do this. We'll leave it, whatever. We'll leave it like that. Okay, so what we'll want to do now is we want to fetch the user ID. So we want to fetch the stream. So we'll do we're on the client now. So we need a client. Can we do this? Let's do that. Let's actually do this. I don't know if this is a good practice, but let's do from Twitch.io import client. All right, and then we'll have the client over here, and then we'll do self. No, we'll do. Actually, we should do self dot and self this, and then we'll do self dot client equals client, and we'll pass we'll pass the access token. It's the only thing that's not optional, so we'll pass the token. We'll go token equals self.access token, and then we'll print self.client for good measure. We'll restart, see if we made a mistake. Yep, name access token is not defined, of course, because we need to do self.self. Right, so let's do it again. Okay, so all right, so we have the client working now. So now we can pull the streams, and we can do streams. Can we pull the current stream though? I don't know. Let's go back. Let's do fetch streams. Fetches live streams from the Helix API. User IDs, get user logins, languages, token. Can we have current? List of currently connected channels. All right, let's see what we get from the get fetch stream. So let's do self.client.fetch streams, and it's a list of ints. So we'll not a list of strings. So we'll do this. We'll do this, and we'll just print it over here. So we'll just do this, and we'll do self.user_IDs. Okay. All right. Let's go back. Let's do that again. Oh, of course, because it's a coroutine, so we need async await. So where are we now? So we'll do await. Oh, but can we store that into variable? Can we do streams equals await self.client.fetch streams self.user_IDs. Let's print streams. Have a look. Okay, so if I do uptime, oh, hello. Okay. All right. Okay, so it's a list. Now, I suppose you can stream multiple. You can stream to multiple channels at a time. I don't know, or you can have multiple simultaneous streams. For my case, I'm only gonna have one, so we'll just go 0. So stream is this, and then so we have the ID, and so now we can go stream dot. Stream dot. Hold on. So what does it return? it returns a list of Twitch.io streams. So let's go back here. Okay, ID, user, game ID. Okay, type, viewer count, started at, language, tag IDs, is mature, viewer count, started at, and what is the, okay, it's a date time, UTC timestamp of when the stream started. All right, so we'll do stream, so we'll print stream.inf, no, we'll do stream.started at, we'll do stream user too. Yeah, actually, yeah, let's do that. Stream.user, that's what we want, so that we can do, so we can essentially do this. We can do stream.user, and then how long ago was the stream started? So let's just do time ago. We'll do this. We'll leave it at that for now. Let's just 2 hours. How long has it been? Yeah, 2 hours. So print stream.user, and we'll print stream.started at. Yeah, let's just do this. What else do we have in the thing? We have thumbnail URL. No, we don't need this. We can essentially just do viewer count, print stream.viewer count, and so has been streaming to stream.viewer count to people for, and let's just do time ago for now. Okay. Yeah, now let's just print that. Okay. I can do uptime. Coroutine object is not subscriptable. Why not? Can I do stream? Alright, can I print stream 0? Let's just do that. Let's do that again. And let's just do uptime. List object has no attribute. Oh, of course. So now it's going to be stream.0. Right, so streams, and stream is going to be stream 0. And so now we can essentially just do current stream. Okay, so I don't think we have any more issues. Run it. And let's see what we get. So uptime. Stream is not defined. What are you? Ah, God. It's streams, you absolute melt. Alright, this time should work. Hopefully. Is it uptime? Yeah, uptime. Okay. So streaming. Oh, it's partial user. So it's partial user. Okay, so let's just do name. Yep. Can't stream the user.name. Alright. Okay. So let's try that again. Let's do uptime. Alright, so it's been streaming to one for 2 hours. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this date, and I'm gonna try and compare it to our current time now. So essentially time.now. So what I want is time.now minus whatever this is. So I'm gonna have to find out what type of a variable this is, and then just compare it, so we can have a comparison, and then we'll be able to store that in a time ago variable, and then we'll be able to say, okay, 0xfish has been streaming to however many people for 2 hours. Or I guess no, I don't like that. Let me do stream started blah 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 time ago. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so I'm gonna go for a quick break, and then I'll be back in maybe 10-15 minutes. Right, so I'll see you then. All right, back. And so, blah, 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 blah. So what are we doing? Yeah, all right. So what we want to do now, so we've got the stream, the start date or the start time of the stream. So what we want to do is we want to compare two dates. So first we need to check the type of start. So datetime. Okay, so it's UTC, and I think we can do, let's open a shell. Can we do Python? Can we do import datetime? No, it's from datetime import datetime. And then we'll do date, I think it's datetime.now. Yeah. Oh, is it UTC now? I think. Oh no, it's UTC now, all lowercase. UTC now. Okay. Can we do the datetime.utc now? Our, how do we convert that to a string? We can't cast it to a string, can we? All right, let's do that. So we don't need to do dir, we can essentially just do string datetime.utc now. Yep. Although that's not really, can we do, if we do now? Okay. All right, we'll try. We'll try. So we'll do now equals. We'll have to import. Actually, let me go back. I think we have automatic import. So I'll do now equals date time dot UTC now. All right, and then we can sort of time ago we can do print. No, we can. Oops, we can do now minus current stream dot started at, and we'll print time ago. Let's try that. PDM run. Okay. So I can do uptime. Alright. So can't subtract offset naive and offset aware date times. That's a bit weird. Let's have a look at this. UTC now, the replace. Yeah, let's do this. See if it works. Nope. There we go. Do we have PyTZ? No, we don't. Why not? Okay, we have to add it. So PDM add PyTZ. Let me know if the music's too loud. Okay. All right. So, how many people are watching? Go back to gang. Oh, it's not working. We'll run. And then we can do, hopefully, PyTZ. So we'll do replace tz info equals PyTZ dot UTC. That doesn't work. I don't know why it's not updating. Every time I do this, I have to unfortunately do tz info, and then I can do PyTZ. What? .utc. Let's have a look. I mean, I don't know. It's just a bit weird. Let's do from PyTZ import time zone. Alright, so we'll do that. From PyTZ import time zone. Okay, so we can do time zone. Nope. Hang on. Time zone as TZ. And then we'll do tz.utc. That doesn't seem to work. I'm not getting autocomplete, so this is a bit weird. Oh, it's Py. Okay. Oh, we don't have to do this. We can just do Py. Okay, now we can just do import PyTZ. Yeah, just like this. We can do import PyTZ. And here we can do PyTZ dot UTC. Right. So hopefully this works. Right. So let's go back. Let's do uptime. $2.35. Wow. All right. Okay, so we have that. So we can now do timeago.hour. Is it? Can we do timeago? Method. The get hour. Days. What? Seconds. Min. Max. There has to be something about hour. Nope. Total seconds. Max. Min. Resolution. Days. Microseconds. Seconds. Don't have me convert seconds to hours. Get out of here, man. Resolution. What? Let's try hours. Hang on, let's print, because this is weird. Let's print time type. time ago. Okay, so let's do uptime. Time delta. Okay. So it's a time delta. Right, so let's go to time delta. Let's have a look at the docs. Daytime time delta. Min max resolution. Total seconds. Oh, okay, so we have to convert another year. So how do we get this? Because we have to, okay, so we get the total seconds, we divide by well, the 60, well, total seconds, so seconds, the 60 seconds in a minute, the 60 minutes in an hour. So we have to, hold on. Right, so this is that divided by 60 is 1. Okay, so we can do this divided by 60 divided by 60. Just so we'll do total seconds elapsed. We'll do this. Dot total seconds. Oh, it's a method, is it? Is that a method? Yeah, it's a method. All right, and it returns a float. So I think we need to do 60. Yeah. Can we do? Hang on. Let's just do. So 36,000 times 2 is 70. Okay, so this should be 2 hours. So if we do this divided by this, yeah, we'll divide by the number of seconds instead. So we'll, instead of doing this, we'll do this. 3600, and we'll get the number of hours, right? So that's the total seconds elapsed, and that's a float. And then we can do hours elapsed. We can do total seconds elapsed divided by 3600. Okay. Hours elapsed ago. Hours ago. But then we would have to format the message accordingly, because if it's less than an hour, then it would just say 0 hours ago, I guess. That's not good. So we'll go back. We'll just try real quick uptime. Yeah. So how do I... Can we int that instead? Yeah, let's try this. I mean, I thought this would return an int. Guess I was wrong. So we'll just do this. Uptime. Yep. All right. It's two hours ago. 2 hours ago. I kind of want to have the 2 hours and 40 minutes ago. So let's go back and fix this. So what we have at the moment. Okay, so we pull in the streams. This is now 12 seconds elapsed, hours elapsed. Okay. Let's actually create a private function. Let's do def format. Well, what should we call it? Format elapsed self. Go back up here. And we'll do start time. I believe, how do you do this? Is it like that? No, I think it's this. No. Yep. So it's colon type. That's date time dot date time. Oh, okay, no, that's just date time then. Yep. Okay, so it's date time, and then we can essentially just take this. Right, we can take that. We can take this too. Alright, and then so that's the hours elapsed. And what we want is we want to return. What we want to do is we want to return. I think it's called a named tuple, something like that. And we would have the hours, the minutes. We would have the hours, the minutes, and the seconds. Although we don't really need the seconds, but we'll have that. So now we have the total seconds elapsed, so we need the hours elapsed. So the hours elapsed, well, we have it already, so it's this. Alright. And to get the minutes, we'll essentially just do minutes. Actually, we can just do minutes elapsed. And do this. So divided by 60. And then for the hours elapsed, we can do minutes elapsed divided by 60. So we have the hours and minutes. Right. And then I guess we would have 0. Oh. Maybe the message could look, so if, okay, so if hours, so if the hours elapsed is bigger than 1, we would have 40 minutes ago. Else we would have 2 hours and 40 minutes ago. All right. Okay. That's what we're going to do. And the seconds was just the total seconds, so we'll do that. But this will be done up here. We'll do this up here. So we'll do just in case. So what do we have? Current stream dot started at. So this is going to be start time. Whoops. That's going to be the start time. Minutes elapsed, hours elapsed. Okay, so I think it's named tuple, isn't it? Named, because I've used those before. I think it has a different name though. No, it's actually named tuple. All right. I think it's part of the standard lib. Yep. So from collections, import name tuple. So we'll declare it here. Now we'll declare as part of the class. We'll do self time elapsed. Stream time elapsed. Stream time elapsed. We'll do named tuple. What? Yes, it's going to be named tuple. No, actually, let's create it outside. Let's do name. So we'll go stream time elapsed equals name tuple. And so it's going to be called stream time elapsed. And then we will have an array of fields. So hours, minutes, seconds. We don't have to do this, but it just makes things much more clear with what we're doing. So now we can essentially just return a stream time elapsed with hours. Can we do this? I think we can do hours equals hours elapsed. Minutes equals minutes elapsed. And then seconds. What happened to... Yeah, no, seconds. Seconds equals total seconds elapsed. In fact, we'll just do this. All right. Okay. So we have the total amount of time that's passed since the stream started. Now we can do, oops, seconds elapsed. All right. So we return this. And now we can go and go back up here. We can do time elapsed since start. And we'll do def, and then we'll do self dot format time elapsed. Current stream dot started at. And this will return the name tuple. In fact, how do you... I think it's like this. Something like this. Go back. What's this? What's the syntax? Let's have a look at this. Let's open command. Yeah, so it opens a command. What's the type of names to... oh, well, I think the type is just stream time elapsed, isn't it? Yeah, so we can just essentially just do this. Because that's what we return. Let's check other examples. Optional. Yeah, so if you return an instance or whatever, a named object like this, you can essentially just name it, give it the name. So nothing fancy. So okay, so stream time elapsed, great. All right, so we have this. Now what we want to do is we want to say if time elapsed since start dot hours is equal 0. Is it going to be an int? I think it's going to be an int. Is equal 0. The message is going to be, well, time ago, I guess. Time ago is going to be it's going to be time elapsed since start dot minutes ago. Else time ago is going to be called dot hours. So 2 hours, and then 40 minutes ago. 2 hours. 2 hours and time elapsed minute ago. Minutes ago. Let's just do M. Yep. And then the message is going to be stream started time ago. Right. So we'll do message. What's the problem here? It's too long. Nah, can't be bothered. What about this? It's too long too. Whatever. Okay, so let's restart the thing and then call uptime. What? Oh, we did not use an int for this. So where's the hours? This is going... Well, maybe we should have kept the double thing. Total seconds. Alright, so let's do int. Okay. Run it again. Let's try uptime. Oh. What happened? We of course have to send the message. You dongle. Okay, go back. Uptime. Boo, what? That can't be right. That's no 200, 600. What? What are the minutes then? Am I so dumb? I can't even. Am I so dumb? I can't even get the minutes. Because total seconds divided by 60 gives you the minutes. Oh, okay, but that's not. Yeah, so that's the total minutes. Hang on. So 176 minutes ago, that's not possible. So to go from seconds to minutes, you divide by 60. But what we need is hours and minutes. So how many hours and minutes does that? So it's 2 hours. Hang on. Divided by 60. It's 2. That's almost 3 hours. Oh yeah, but we need the remainder. Nope. Divided by 60. So that's almost 3 hours. That gives us almost 3 hours, which checks out because we've been running for almost 3 hours. But how do I do this? How do I? Because I mean, this isn't technically wrong, right? It's just, I guess we would have to do. I guess the minutes would have to be this. Minus the minutes minus the hours times 60. Yeah. Hang on, let's do this. I'm sure there's a better way of doing this. Yeah, let's try that. I mean, this is dumb. Like, this is stupid. But we'll we will actually we could have just used a time delta. Now that I think about it, yeah, we can do time delta. Hang on, we'll just try this for sanity check. So that's this, blah blah blah. Yeah, let's try that. So we'll go pdm run Python. Okay. Yeah, so if I do up time, hopefully we should get 3 hours and 1 minute. There's no, come on, up time. Yep, 3 minutes, 3 hours, 1 minute ago. All right. So that's the stupid, naive way of doing it. We do gang. See if there's anybody in here. Hello, everyone. Let me know if there's a problem with the sound, or if the music's too loud. All right, so we have time delta. Let me just do that. because we're stupid. We already have, I mean, I'm stupid. We already have the started at attribute that's already in the datetime format. So we can essentially just do time delta. All arguments are optional. Arguments may be integer. One only days, seconds, and microseconds. Stored arguments are converted to those units. How many arguments? If any arguments float. Time delta. Objects represent the duration between two dates or times. Okay, well, that's great, but how do you check? I think it's tested against now. How do I do this? Delta. Because right now we have this. We could do, because we have the start time, we can create a time delta object with hang on. I think we have hours. Yeah, we have hour. So we have hour. We have hour, and then yeah, well, I mean, it would essentially just be the same, right? Because even if we do this, it returns a time delta object. And the time delta object does not return a minute. However, can we convert a time delta to a time object? Let's try that. Time delta to time. If waiting time is wait time, data, we can just use time on that object. If waiting time is a date time, no, that's not what I want. Let's go to Google. Time delta to time Python. Yep. It's strange that Python returns a value as a time. It probably should return a date anyway. It looks like it's returning elapsed time since midnight, assuming the column is in order to convert to it, you can do the following. So that's what we have. Okay. Dot min plus value, not time. All right, so let's try this. Let's try this. So we'll do. So in our case, the time delta is the seconds elapsed. No, actually, no. Let's do value equals now minus start time. That's the time delta. And then we'll do time elapsed. And that's going to be datetime.datetime, datetime.datetime.min. I'm not sure how this applies. Let's try this. Plus value dot time. And let's print time elapsed. Okay, dot All right, let's just print that. So let's go do uptime. Oh, I have to restart. Of course. Let's do that again. Uptime. Oh, it's date, so we already have date time imported. That's a bit confusing. Uptime. Yep. Bam. All right, so now we can essentially do this, right? So we have time elapsed. All right, so we'll do this. And then so that's time elapsed, and we'll do delta. We'll do time elapsed. Yeah, delta since start. And then we'll do the time elapsed is going to be, well, date time dot min plus delta since start, and we'll get the time. And then I think we can replace. Can we replace? No, we can't. Can't do anything about that. Okay, so now we need to time to date time Python. This is all we have, right? No, that's not what we have. Let's check the type of what we have now. So the time elapsed is what we have. This is now. Okay. So let's print the type. Because I want to get rid of the microseconds or whatever it's called. Yeah, it's datetime.time. All right. Oh, but we don't need to do this. Hang on, I can just extract the hour. Time elapsed dot minute. Yep. And I can do time elapsed dot second. Okay. So I can get rid of this. I can do time elapsed dot hour. Time elapsed dot minute. And time elapsed dot second. Right, so we have this, and so presumably now if I restart, we should still have something working. So let's do up time 3, 2, 1. Yep, it works. Great. Something else I notice is that when the minute field is less than 10, what let's do. I want to check the type. So where are we? Let's go back to the docs. Do we have the docs open? No, we don't. Date, time, dot time. What is it? It's not saying. It's not saying if it's an int. Let's check. Because if it's a string, it's going to be easy. We'll just have to. Let's go print type time elapsed dot minute. Just want to see something. Uptime. Yep, it's an int. So we would have to. I think we would have to. Oh. We can essentially just do. I will do formatted minutes. I think we can have a ternary like this. We can have dot minutes if dot minutes is less than 10, else just time elapsed since start dot minute. And essentially we'll just do minutes, formatted minutes. Okay. All right. If there is no error, it should work. So if this works, then that means we were good. Uptime. All right. So yeah. So the ternary operator worked. Just as a sanity check. Stream. Because you can never be too careful. Okay. Now let's just do one quick test. When really we should be adding a unit test, which we're going to do. Instead of this, I'll do 6. So it's less than 10. And so this should return 0.6 instead of just 6. So let's quit. Let's do that again. Let's go back and do uptime. Nope. Nope. So the formatted minutes thing didn't work. Oh. Of course. Let's do that. Yeah, because I forgot to update the other one, the other instance, the other occurrence. All right, so now presumably it should say 3 hours and 06 minutes ago. Uptime. Boom. There we go. We're definitely going to need unit tests for this, but right now this will do. All right, so I'm happy with this. We will add unit tests. Let's go back to the board. So uptime is done, right? However, we will add a task for adding unit tests. So unit, add unit tests. Does it have... that's the problem. You can't add a list, to-do list to an issue. So let's do test that. Well, first of all, we need to test, what did we call the function? Format time elapsed. And then how do we even test the commands? That's interesting. That's something else I'm going to have to look into. But maybe we can extract this to its own function. Yeah, let's actually do that. So we can extract this to its own function so we can test it separately. All right. So add test private methods and commands. Okay. Well, while I'm at it, I'm essentially gonna take this. Boom. How should we call this? So now it's going to take time elapsed, and it's going to be of type stream time elapsed, and it's going to return a string. In fact, we will return an empty string for now. And this should be called time elapsed MSG. All right. Where is it? Yep, that's that bit over here. We'll copy that, paste it here. All right, so it takes the time lapse. So we'll essentially just do this. Whoops. Time elapsed. Else time elapsed. Boom. Okay, and then we can essentially just return time ago. Actually, message. And we'll essentially just return the message. This is going to be, yep, time elapsed, hours, and then formatted minutes. We could have our own, I guess, another ternary, but it's probably going to look too esoteric. All right. think I'm using Flake 8. It's not TS. What do I use for... Let's do status. Do I have something with status now? What's the plugin I'm using for this? I can't remember. Oh, it's LSP. It's LSP info. No ls detected type Python. Pyrite. Using Pyrite. Alright. No, it's not this, it's or maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's this, yeah. Okay. So we will now do time ago. Time ago is going to be self dot time elapsed message. Let's actually call it time ago, whatever. Yeah, let's just do this. Time ago. And so we can now do all time ago. We'll pass this. Okay. And so now this should work, hopefully. Okay, so I'm logged in and ready. It's a bit chilly over here. Uptime. Boom. It works. Great. Great. So the stream started. Blah blah blah. Let me just check one more time. I'm a bit paranoid. So that means if we see the stream started, it means the code is run successfully. Uptime. Oh, that's not a command. Uptime. Boom. Okay. So that's good. So we have done uptime. We are going to be able to then commit and push this. And I'm going to have to look at what else is on the list. Watch time is going to be interesting. Oh, I've had it. I have it twice. So let's actually... Can I delete this? Can you just delete that? No, you can't. Whatever. Okay, so quote, task. Quote is going to be fun. Task, that's going to be pretty easy. Tip, follow age, watch time, lurk, schedule, site. Those ones are going to be, we'll do commands last. And then we'll have fun adding tests. And then maybe we'll break up the because right now I have everything in one file, so if the thing grows, we'll probably create a package, an internal package, and then we'll sort of architecture the code to be much more clean and reusable. Okay, so uptime is done. Uptime is done. So, yep, that's it. Let's run gang once again, just to see if some of you are still around. Oh, it's not. It's not running, of course. So focus, Fisher, focus. Wow, we're 7. So welcome to the new ones. Oh, I see a fellow 08x26. Welcome. Arrow Vulcan, welcome. Alien Gathering, Peculiar ASMR. That's a nice username. Oh, I've noticed something. It says 7, but we're actually 6 because it's counting me. Well, I guess that's okay. I don't have to. I can count. I guess I'm a viewer of my own stream. Okay, so let's git add, git commit added uptime. Uptime command. Git push Oregon master. Let's verify that it's been pushed to FisherBot. Okay, added uptime command. Cool. Cool. Oh, we need a README. We'll probably add that at some. Actually, add a README now. FisherBot. README.md. Okay, let's add that. Added README. Okay. Just to have something to show. All right. Even though it's empty, but that's fine. So okay, cool. We've learned about PDM today, and we've made decent progress on the chatbot. So that's great. We'll continue to explore. This. I don't know if I'm going to stream tomorrow. Maybe I will, if I get enough time. Because it's freezing, absolutely freezing balls outside, and I'm not dressed for the weather. So I'm going to end it here. Thank you to everyone who turned up. Yeah, I'll see you in the next stream. If you want to stick around, you can follow me. I'll probably be streaming tomorrow. So if you want to follow along with me tomorrow, then you're more than welcome to turn up. All right, cheers. Have a nice rest of the day, and take care of yourselves. Bye.